guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Miss Anosha for those who are new here. Don't forget to subscribe because I'm sharing all the cute things. And today is the cutest thing of all because I'm featuring some really cute pieces from Banana Republic on my cutie daughters. This is London and this is Lexi. Right now they want to sit on the floor, so that's what we're doing. You know, just pray for me for this video because filming with children is no joke, guys. But today we're going to show off some really cute Banana Republic pieces. It's still very geared towards children, but it's like an elevated look for kids, which is what I like and how I like to dress my kids. So here we go. Wish me luck. Let's get into it. So the first piece is this super cute cardigan. I mean, a little kid in a cardigan is probably the cutest thing ever. And I paired it with these brown pants that I think are also cute. They have a little bell on the bottom, but they're not like super flared, and they're kind of like a corduroy material. Together, I think they're so cute, perfect for fall, perfect for winter, and the girls look so cute wearing them. Daddy? Dad's here. Just chaos. Next is this two-piece set. How cute is this? It's a soft knit. It doesn't have any stretch, but the waistband on the pants do. Guys, it's warm, it's cozy, it's just so cute on the girls. I actually wish they had this for adults because I would wear this. This is so cute. I also got this little turtleneck. These are all just like simple pieces, but I feel like a lot of times it's hard to just find like basic pieces for kids that are like neutral and high quality. This is absolutely one of my favorite pieces. It's a sweater dress. Guys, how cute is this with the little sleeves rolled up, little boots, and this is the best part, this little belt bag to put over it. Just so cute. This one has to be one of my favorites, but my absolute favorite thing that I got, especially for London, is this jacket, this little pea coat. Like, what? This is so cute. And it's so high quality. It's very thick, it's heavy, it's perfect for winter. I can tell it's very warm. It's giving American Girl. I love it. I feel like it can be dressed up, it can be dressed down. London, you gotta be a little quieter, okay? This is another one that I wish I had in my size, but I'm obsessed with this. And the last piece is this denim jacket. It's lined on the inside, which makes it perfect for fall. And I love it. This is also very much a unisex piece. You can get this for a boy or a girl. I mean, look at this. Look at this baby denim jacket. Like, if you don't have a baby, does this not give you baby fever? And that's pretty much it. I love all these pieces for my girls. They're gonna wear them over and over and over through the fall and over the winter. Banana Republic has definitely become one of my go-tos when I'm shopping for my girls. Their pieces are just so cute. I have to stop myself from like wanting everything. I'll link everything below if you're interested in getting some for your kids. Let me know which one was your favorite piece, and I'll see you guys next time.